Welcome to this comprehensive guide on common issues with Uniswap v2. As a leading decentralized exchange protocol, Uniswap v2 has revolutionized the way we trade cryptocurrencies. But like any complex system, it is not without its challenges. In this tutorial, we will explore the key issues that users and liquidity providers face, and provide practical examples and best practices to help you navigate these challenges. First, let's start with the basics. Uniswap v2 is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. It uses a constant product market maker model, where liquidity providers supply assets to a pool, and traders can then trade against this pool. However, this model can lead to several issues, including impermanent loss, liquidity fragmentation, and price slippage. Impermanent loss occurs when the value of the assets in the pool changes, resulting in a loss for the liquidity provider. This can happen when the price of one asset in the pool increases or decreases significantly, causing the pool to become imbalanced. To mitigate this risk, liquidity providers can use strategies such as dollar cost averaging or diversifying their portfolio. Liquidity fragmentation is another common issue with Uniswap v2. This occurs when there are multiple pools for the same asset, resulting in fragmented liquidity and reduced trading efficiency. To address this issue, users can use aggregators or routers that can split trades across multiple pools, ensuring the best possible price. Price slippage is also a significant concern for traders on Uniswap v2. This occurs when the price of an asset changes significantly during the execution of a trade, resulting in a worse price for the trader. To minimize price slippage, traders can use limit orders or split their trades into smaller amounts. In addition to these issues, Uniswap v2 is also vulnerable to front-running attacks, where malicious actors can exploit pending transactions to their advantage. To prevent this, users can use techniques such as flash loans or time-locked transactions. To get the most out of Uniswap v2, it is essential to follow best practices such as monitoring pool balances, adjusting liquidity provision strategies, and staying up to date with market conditions. By understanding the common issues with Uniswap v2 and using the right strategies, users and liquidity providers can minimize risks and maximize returns. In conclusion, Uniswap v2 is a powerful decentralized exchange protocol that offers many benefits, but it also presents several challenges. By being aware of these issues and using the right techniques, users and liquidity providers can navigate these challenges and achieve their goals. Whether you are a seasoned trader or a new user, this guide has provided you with the knowledge and tools to succeed on Uniswap v2.